Well, hi guys. You know how November is Thanksgiving season abroad? Well, here in Uganda we have Nsenene eating or grasshopper eating season. So I bring you the best recipe. You're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. Please make it for yourself and for your family. It is super delicious. It's Lillian. Thank you very much for coming. Please watch and enjoy. So now we are going to start by cleaning our grasshoppers, our nsenene. I'm using a teaspoon of baking soda. I love cleaning my things with baking soda. Now, yes, you let it sit a bit, and then you do that. You remove the water, you pour the water, and then you have your grasshoppers clean and fresh to cook. So I have my onions, I have my green pepper and carrots there. I have my garlic and ginger paste. Now you heat up your pan, you add in your grasshoppers. They have a bit of water, so please don't add oil. Please don't add oil. Now just stir fry this until they're really the water is done. Now when the water is done, they start making oil, because oh my god, grasshoppers, I didn't know grasshoppers are so oily. So yes, they make their oil, so you use that oil. And yes, you add in your ginger and garlic paste in there. We want this to be spicy, a bit of spice, not too plain. Yes, so you saute, you add in your onions, and yes, you also add in your green peppers and carrot, sorry. At this point, please feel free to add in everything you like, make it personal, make it customize it, yeah. So you can add in your red peppers, yellow peppers. So I'm adding in a half teaspoon of salt and paprika there. You mix this nicely, and now we are going to add in one Royco cube. Guys, try this. This is really nice, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Yes, so please give it some time to cook, about 10 minutes, so that it dries completely and it's just crispy and nice. You can now serve and enjoy. You drink with kachai or just snack. Just make this instead of having popcorn. Turn it up. Just get this and enjoy as you watch your car movie. Thank you guys. God bless you so much.